In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Photoshop basics step by step. First, let's get Photoshop installed and set up. Download it from the Adobe Creative Cloud website, install the app, and sign in. Open Photoshop and head to Edit, then Preferences. Pick an interface color that's comfortable for your eyes. Set units and rulers to pixels if you're designing for screens, and adjust performance so Photoshop can use a reasonable amount of your computer's RAM. These choices help everything feel smooth right from the start. Next, get familiar with the interface. The menu bar across the top holds every command. On the left, the toolbar contains essentials like Move, Brush, Crop, and Lasso. The options bar changes based on the tool you've selected, giving you quick control over settings. On the right, panels such as Layers, Properties, History, and Adjustments are where most of your fine-tuning happens. The canvas in the center is your working area. If you don't see a panel, open the window menu and enable it. Layers are the heart of Photoshop. Open an image with File, then Open, and create a new layer via Layer, New Layer. Rename layers to stay organized, lock them to avoid accidental edits, hide and show them with the eye icon, and drag to change layer order. Experiment with opacity and blend modes to control how layers interact, a core part of non-destructive editing. Selections tell Photoshop what to edit. Use the marquee tool for rectangles or circles, the lasso for freehand, the quick selection tool to snap to objects, and the magic wand to select similar colors. When edges need polish, choose Select and Mask to refine them. Now explore essential editing tools. Move repositions elements. Crop resizes and straightens images. Brush paints or retouches. The eraser removes areas. Clone stamp copies detail from one area to another, and the healing brush blends away blemishes. A soft brush and careful sampling often produce the most natural results. For color and lighting, go to Image Adjustments or add adjustment layers like brightness, wash contrast, levels, curves, hue, saturation, and color balance. Adjustment layers are non-destructive, so you can tweak them anytime. To add text, select the Type tool, click the canvas, and type. Adjust font, size, color, alignment, and character spacing in the options bar. Filters add effects. Open the filter menu to try blur, sharpen, or noise. Convert layers to smart objects first so you can re-edit those filters later. Keyboard shortcuts boost speed. V for move, B for brush, C for crop, Control or CMD plus Z to undo, and Control or CMD plus J to duplicate a layer. When you're done, save a working PSD to preserve layers, then export via File Export Export As. Use JPG for photos, PNG for transparency, and PDF for print and sharing. Practice with real projects, edit photos, make social posts, design simple posters, or recreate designs you admire. Keep learning a little every day. Watch tutorials and explore masks, smart objects, and blending techniques to level up. By following these steps consistently, you'll build a solid foundation and real confidence in Photoshop. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.